Hey, Adele Brienne here. So, one of the things I haven't talked a lot about, but that's absolutely important, and I've been kind of on a journey discovering, is all about your mindset. So, as a business owner, there's so many challenges that are going to come up in the physical, real world that are real problems, and we want to solve them with like tangible solutions, and that's great, and that's important and relevant, and we should. And yet, sometimes we discover that even though we do everything in the physical world, we're not getting the results that we should be getting. And that's sometimes because in our subconscious, we're holding on to these limiting beliefs from childhood, from other people's opinions, from our parents, from wherever, from influencers. And we need to actually clear out those old limiting beliefs by really addressing them and then replacing them with new beliefs. So I've been doing that, and I encourage you to learn about mindset. I'll be talking more about it. I'm just going to keep this brief, but it's a game changer.